Glad to meet you all, my dear children. How are you? I hope everyone will be fine and good. This is your ma'am S. Hemamalini from Bharadasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to see one interesting topic in the subject Maths. Without this, we can't survey. Such a beautiful and wonderful topic. So our topic is about addition. I will see here. How many fingers are here in my hand? 5 fingers. Now tell me now. 5. Tell me totally how many fingers are there? 10 fingers. This is only an addition. So addition is very easiest topic. Let's see now. Shall we see the horizontal addition now? Horizontal means how it is, like this or this one? I couldn't? Very good. Like this one, like a straight line. So 5 plus 4 equal to, okay, addend 1 and addend 2, which should be in your mind, addend 1. So first number, 5 in your mind, 4 in a finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. The answer is 9. Shall we do one more problem here? 6 is your addend 1 and denoted by the addition symbol, and the addend 2 is number 2 equal to, what will be the answer? What should be in your mind? 2 or 6? Very good. 6 in your mind, 2 in the finger. 6 after, 7, 8. Very good. Shall we see one more? Okay, now vertical addition. Vertical addition, how it will be? Like this or this one? It is in the standing line or sleeping line? Very good, standing line, vertical. So 5 plus 3, the same number, but it is in the vertical format. Before that we see in the horizontal format, now we are going to see in the vertical format. Tell me 4 plus 5 gives 9. 5 in a mind, 4 in a finger. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. See the next problem. 6 and 2, what should be in your mind? 6 in your mind, 2 in a finger. 6 after, 7, 8. 8 is your answer. Now, shall we do one problem here? So, 7 plus 2. What should be in your mind and finger? 7 in a mind, 2 in a finger. 7 after, succeeding number to 7 is 8 and 9. Answer is a 9. Fine. See, next we are going to see missing numbers. So missing number is nothing but to find the missing number in an addition sentence. Count the number of jumps from the given number to sum of the number. I will say you, so addend 1. What we have to do here means they will give the addend 1 or addend 2. We need to jump from the addend number to the sum number. So see here, 3 plus dash will gives 9. So what we need to do means, so 0, number line intervals, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. So what is the given addend 1 is 3. So start from the 3. We don't know how many jump to reach our sum because they given the sum number, but we don't know what is the second addend. So we are going to find the second addend. So just count how many jumps we require to reach the number 9. So start the count. 1, 2, 3. Did we reach the number 9? No. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we reach the number 9, is right? So how many jumps we jumped here? Number of, please tell me number of jumps. Yes, very good. So number of jump is, how many jumps are there? 6. Jump to reach the number 9. Let's play one game here. So, our problem is 4 plus dash equal to sum. We get the sum of 8. We don't know what will be the addend to. Let's see now one small game here, okay. What is this? These are pebbles. Pebbles is nothing but a stone, okay. It's a kind of stone. So what is this one? This is a rabbit. Rabbit like carrot is right. It's like more carrot to eat it. So the rabbit is in the number 4. The carrot is in number 8 because our addend 1 is 4. We don't know what is our addend 2. We don't know what is our addend 2. So we are going to find our addend 2. So the sum is 8. So what is that one? I don't know what is that one. Yes, carrot. So I place the carrot here. Why? Because the rabbit like more carrots. So I place the carrot here. Now tell me, this rabbit want that, what that is? Carrot. So it going to start jump to get that, what one? Yes, carrot. So now calculate the jump, because then only we know that how many jump we require to reach number 8. Okay. Start count. Shall we make the rabbit to jump? Yeah. So jump 1, not it reach the carrot. Jump 2, now also it's not reach the carrot. Jump 3, did it reach that? No. Jump 4. Yes, finally the rabbit get that carrot. Now it is in the number 8. The sum is 8. How many jump it's jumped? Tell me, I can't hear it. Very good, number 4. So our missing number is 4. So what should be in your mind? Shall we cross check it? The sum is correct or not? Yes. What should be in your mind? Addend 1 4. And what should be in your finger? 4. So addend 1 after number 5, 6, 7, 8. So now our sum is correct. You also did very well, my dears. Good, superb. I am going to draw one circle. This is a game. Okay. So here I mark as 0, here 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 5, very good, 6. Then 7, 8. Then 9. Now children, see here, if you had this horizontal line, we get the answer number 10. Shall we check now? So what should be in your mind here? 9 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 9, 10. Now see here, 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2. 8 in a mind, 2 in a finger. 8 after 9, 10. So what should be in your mind here? 7 and 3. 7 in your mind, 3 in a finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Now see here, 6 in your mind, 4 in a finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. We reach the 10. One more thing we can play now. One more game. This is our last game. Now, if we added in this way, we get number 9. Number 9. Shall we check now? 9 in a finger, 0. Sorry, what should be in your mind? 9 in your mind, 0 in a finger. So here we should not say the after number, because 0 there is a no value. So 9 will come. 8 in a mind, 1 in a finger. 8 after 9. 7 in a mind, 2 in a finger. 7 after 8, 9. And 6 in your mind, 3 in a finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9. And 5 in a mind, 4 in a, yes, finger. So 5 in a mind, 4 in a finger, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my dear children, one thing is there in the addition. At last I will say this and wind up our class. So here, if any number, say anyone, any number, yes 3, thank you. If we add the 3 with 0, we get the same value. One more, because there is no fingers in my hand, then how could I start the count, and how could I say the succeeding number for that? So there is no chance to count. So the same number will be come. Now, okay, one more. 5 plus 0, 5 in a mind, 0 in a finger. There is no chance to count. The same number will come again. And one more property, one more thing is there. If any number is added with a 1, we get the succeeding number for that addend 1. So see here, so addend 1 is 8 and our addend 2 is 1. We can place here like this 2. So what will be the your answer or sum? So 8 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 8 after 9. So if any number add with a 1, we get the succeeding number. We get the succeeding number of that number. Okay? Not for a one number, whatever the number we are giving is, right? That number after number only we get as an answer. I think you all enjoy this class and also you study what is addition, is right? I think you all understood and also you have a clear cut in this, is right? In this below description, we have attached a self-assessment, question bank and subject material. Go through it and do assess yourself. Thank you once again. Parents also please cooperate with the children to do their sums. Thank you one and all.